Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Asalwana Rasafina Putri and my study number is 2513042074. In this video, I want to share my honest review about a non-fictional book that I'm reading right now, which is Meditation by Marcus Aurelius. I haven't finished the whole book yet, so I will just talk about chapter 2. In this chapter, the authors talk about life and how we should live in a better way. One main idea that I get is life is short, so we should not waste time on things that are not important. One part that I like the most is when the author reminds us to be a good person and do the right things. I think this idea is simple but important, because sometimes in daily life we think too much about small problems and what others people say, and we forgot what really matters. There is also a quote that I find interesting in this chapter. It's when the author says, "Begin the morning by saying to yourself, I shall meet with the busybody, the ungrateful, arrogant, deceitful, and envious." For me, this means we should be ready to meet all of kinds of people every day, including people who are difficult. But even we meet them, we should stay calm and not become negative like them. This part feels very real to me because in real life, we also meet many different of people, and not all of them are easy to deal. Sometimes it can affect our mood, but this chapter reminds me how to control I react. But to be honest, there are also some parts that I find a bit confusing. The way the author writes is not always easy to understand. It feels like we reading someone's personal thought. Sometimes the sentences are short but deep, so I need to read them again to understand. There are also some ideas that I question. For example, when the author says we should not be affected by our feeling or others people's opinion. I agree, but only a little, because in real life I think it's not that easy. Sometimes we feel sad, happy, stressed, or tired, and it just happens. Yes, we can try to control it, but not all the time. So I feel like this idea is a bit hard to do. And honestly, there are also some parts that I find less interesting, because this book is more like thought and not a story. It can feel a bit slow, so sometimes I lose focus when I read. But overall, I think this chapter is really meaningful. It reminds me that life is short, so I should use my time better. It also teaches me to stay calm and how to think clearly and not waste my energy on things that are not important. So even this book is not very easy to read, I still think it worth to reading, especially when you want to understand life more and become a better person. So yeah, that's my honest review about this book, especially chapter 2. Thank you for watching my video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.